Ano yung sabi ng doktor kanina? They are so dishonest. Yun yung term na ginamit ng doktor kanina. Yung mga police, they are so dishonest. She was so frustrated because she had her patient in mind. And yet, somehow, kung sino man yung nag-uutos nitong lahat, they don't care if you die. You're just one of those na awan ko na, hindi ko na alam. There's no...
How is she? Kumusta si Atty. Lo?
You cannot talk to her. But I understand, meron siyang mga questions na sinagot ng... merong mga questions sa doctor na sinagot niya. Pero kami, she doesn't respond to us. So I don't know kung anong ano.
May binanggit po bang initial diagnosis ng doctor?
Wala silang sinabi sa akin. Yeah, so she's...
Last na lang, you will stay dito sa St. Luke's kasama si Atty. Lo?
Yes, oo. Kasi wala siyang next of kin. So kanina sa cellphone lang nakikipag-usap yung nanay. Sinabihan niya lang ako na take care of my daughter. So sabi ko, I promised her, sabi ko na kung ano yung gusto mo, tita, yun yung masusunod dito.